Hi, my name is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie. Today we're going to look at a 2017 Yamaha SX210. As you can see, we'll start off in the stern. This is why Yamahas are such a popular family boat, is you've got a great place to sit here. You've got cup holders back here while you're watching the kids swimming. You have a great place to sit and observe the family. We'll walk through the stern of the boat. Starting off at the back, you can see we have a nice U-shaped seating area. This boat is equipped with a table. There's lots of room for a cooler underneath here. There's a nice glove box. This boat has under 50 hours on it, folks. It's a 2017 and it's almost like new. We have a baluster seat for the captain's chairs, dual throttle over here. Infinity stereo, full instrumentation. Coming forward, we have a really nice storage area here. Plenty of room for that cooler on those nice hot summer days. We've got a ski locker here also. For your skis up front, we've got plenty of room up here. There's a bow filler cushion up here that'll make this just a nice big sun pad. You've got cup holders, a nice big anchor locker up here, front boarding ladder as well. If this is the boat you'd like to see more of, give us a call. My name is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Give us a call or stop by.